Thank you for being here today and sharing my messages. I've been in practice for over 30 years working with altered states of consciousness, and my resume is on my websites. The Kola Superdeep Borehole, the well into hell. Many well to hell stories have been published. Please read the story and judge for yourself by watching my soundtrack of the recording of the actual sounds from the Kola borehole into hell, and also the soundtrack from the 1972 film Barren Blood, which skeptics are saying that the sounds from hell were supposed to be copied from. I think the two tracks are not alike. To me they sound different, and the music barcode is also different. Watch and wait for the change. The first track is from the Kola hellhole and the second track is from the film. What do you think?